Hey there, mandala fans. This yarn is for you. Meet Mandala Watercolors. This yarn is a truly unique member of the mandala family. I think you're going to like it because it feels great and the colors are fantastic. So just like the other mandala yarns, Mandala Watercolors comes in a convenient cake. This yarn comes in tonal colors that almost look hand-dyed. I can't wait to see how that works out. There are ombre solids and variegated colorways like this one, and the color combinations are gorgeous. This yarn is 75% acrylic, 15% wool, and 10% nylon. Even before I looked at the label, I could tell that there was wool in here. It really has that warm, squishy wool feeling. This is bulky weight, and it's a single ply yarn, which means your stitches will be nice and plump. Don't squeeze the Charmin. I just want to squish this cake. In each cake of Mandala Watercolors, you get 164 yards, and it's machine washable. Just lay flat to dry. Ready for the fun part? Let's swatch, and don't forget to subscribe. First up, the crochet swatch. As usual, I've worked up the single crochet swatch on the recommended hook size. How yummy does this look? I love how the colors work up. These are still pretty defined color changes, so it will work up into stripes, but I like the tonal look of each color. It's called watercolors because it really has a brush stroke effect. You can also see the color change in the knit swatch. This one is worked up from one of the ombre colors. Look at these amazing stitches. This feels dreamy. It's soft and warm. It really has that woolly feel, that coziness. I'm sure you can tell just by looking at it how great this feels. This is going to be a perfect yarn for winter accessories. Thanks for checking out Mandala Watercolors. Like the other members of the Mandala family, this is a yarn you're going to fall in love with. And I won't tell anybody if you squeeze it. Happy stitching!